In this video, we are going to convert this widescreen video into this portrait video. Look at it. It looks like good. So we are going to create this portrait video using FILMORA. Let's get into the video. In here we are using a sample video from Sony camera channel. It have the format of widescreen.
Alpha.
Now I am going to download it. To access our video project in future, we are going to manage it correctly. So do that. Follow my procedure. First of all, create a new folder on your desktop. And we are going to move every files needs to do this project. So this is my sample video. I'm going to copy and paste it right here. Then open FILMORA. Let me introduce pros of FILMORA. Easy to use, plenty of effects and presets, really useful for less experienced people, etc. Now you can open FILMORA. This is the WONDERSHARE FILMORA welcome screen. In here you want to select a project. You can see here select project aspect ratio. Let me introduce what is aspect ratio. Aspect ratio of an image or video is the ratio of its width to its height, and it is expressed with two numbers separated by a colon, such as 16:9. For the x to y aspect ratio, the image is x units wide and y units high. Common aspect ratios in videos are 4:3 and 16:9 in television photography, and 3:2 in still photography. That's it. So in here we are going to create a portrait video. It helps to create a WhatsApp status, Instagram reels, or YouTube shorts, TikTok videos. It consists of portrait orientation. So we are going to select our portrait video aspect ratio. It is 90:16. As you can see, they have mentioned the portrait. So I am going to click on that and also click on new project. Then you can import your video to your timeline. To do that, click on this space and your file explorer menu will appear. Then select your video. You can see here our folder video projects. Double click on it and open it. This is our video, and drag and drop to the timeline. Then click on the key project settings. Now I'm going to zoom out my timeline because it is good for editing. I have removed the intro, and I can cut so many parts in this video, but today we are going to make this widescreen video to portrait, and let's continue on that. Click on this video, double click on it, and go to animation and customize. Now you can see an adjustment tool called scale. Feel free to drag it to the right and play your video. Drag it to the right. Now you can see our video zoom according to the adjustment tool. As you can see, this will fix to your portrait video. You can easily do this too. So this is the first method that you can enlarge your video to match the screen size in the portrait mode. Then we are going to make sure our objects is appear on our video. In here you can see some grayish parts. This part is not visible in our exported project. So we want to add our objects into the middle of it. As you can see, if you want to focus on this text, you need to scroll right here. If you need to export this text in your video, you need to scroll the video into here. So we are going to do that. Play video and look for some changes. In this mode, don't click at anywhere. In this mode you can do animations with FILMORA. It is too good. You can put keyframes. There are some little bit of things we will discuss later. Don't think about that. You need only to drag your video focus. You can see some animations later. If you want to focus on this tree, make it in the middle like this. Play your video, pause your video and drag. That's the method. Let's continue with that. Now we came to the end of the video, so I will remove the remaining parts. Now our video in portrait mode. You can test our animations work properly. Yes, we need to remove some part in the beginning. You can see this animation. It is not required. Actually, it is not required. I will remove that. Now our video is ready. We are going to export this with the settings. So click on video and click on export button just right here and give a name. And I will choose my location. Resolution, keep it safe like this, 1080 to 920. It is look like HD quality. Okay, frame rate 25 fps, size 9.3 megabytes and duration is 55. We can upload this into our shorts, YouTube shorts. It's good. Now click on the export button right here. Our video is fully rendered out, so we can open it. You can see here, this is our sample video. This is our rendered portrait video. We succeeded at the task. Mission accomplished. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep watching our upcoming videos and don't forget to subscribe into my channel and leave a comment about your ideas. I am improving my video quality and speech. Okay, leave a comment and put your like or dislike, anything. I am very happy to watch your feedback.